Okay, guys, what's the game plan today?
We have a challenge.
A challenge? What kind of challenge?
We're gonna watch you fight someone. Beat the hell out of that guy for $20.
Alright then, see what I have in my wallet. Guys. All I had was a $1 bill.
Well, that'll work. Great. Sure smells like some very good money.
Alright, well, hold on to that for you. Alright. Alright. Now, where's the guy I'm fighting again?
He's right behind you. Yep.
He is right behind you.
Now we're gonna see a real fight. We're gonna see a hardcore fight. This is gonna be one parkour and hardcore fight.
Yeah. Kill switch, kill switch, kill switch.
This is gold. This is gold. Literally.
That ought to teach that guy. Oh, hell.
Hey. Bye.
And the winner is Kill Switch. Yay. Oh, all right. You guys think you can handle that dollar bill? Guys think you can handle that dollar?
Oh no, it's fine. I'll go put this in my piggy bank.
I'm gonna put this in my piggy bank.
You really proved yourself. Good job.
No problem. It's what I do. I need rest. Well, time for hibernation. Alright, we'll check on you later.